the Titania template world. I'm Glo, and today we are diving deep into how to use Notion for academic success. In the screen, you will see all the things that we are that we are studying today. Well, in the first step, we will see Notion as your digital backpack. Then your studies with Notion IA. Yes, we will learn how to do basic IA with Notion, and of course some productivity tips. And then we will see how to collaborate with Notions. And then I will show you a little bit in detail my student template. Okay. After that, I just want to say thank you for all your likes in my last video, and that's it. Okay, let's begin with this video. Okay. Well, first is first, we will see how to use Notions as a digital backpack. As you see in the screen, you have the school database, and you will see all the rows with the classes. Okay, I will show you how to actually fill the database when you will download the template. Well, first you can add a line to the database. Then you can just choose your course that you are doing in the session. In this case, you will be managing 2000. Just saying management 2000, and then you will need to select what type of what session are you doing, winter, summer, or autumn, whatever you are doing right now. Then you can select your year, and after that you have all the progression that will be filled in automatics. Okay, then if we scroll down, you will go to the exam sections. This is a link to the exam database, and you will see your exams at the same time of your courses. We are selecting one of the slides. I'm just typing in a management exam. Just rename the page actually. And then you need to select what is the priority of the exam, A, B, or C. You just need to actually read the information that you had put in the exams section. Then after that, we're selecting a date for the exam. We will select the class. Okay. As you see, I have selected the class, the date, and then you will fill the exam page with all the details of your exam preparation. If you scroll down the page, you will have your class notes, and this is another database that is linked in the same page. Okay, everything is linked in between. Well, that's for the classes section, and then after that we will go to the homework and revision. This is your tasks database. Okay, you have already a pre-made template for your task database. You just need to fill in the gaps. Okay, after that, go on to the class notes. The section classes actually, sorry. And you just in this section you have one course with one page. Okay, everything that you're doing in this course, it will be in the same page, and your tasks will be linked to the page of your course. And the progression bar, it will be like progress in automatic when you will check your task in the status done, that it will be automatic. Then after that, if we come back to the dashboard of the template, you will see your calendar, then an image with your exam dates, and yes, we are doing the calendar. and we are just selecting the same page that we did before. You will see the same information in a calendar form. Okay, you can add more data in the calendar if you want, or you can go directly in your database. It depends on you. Well, after that we're doing another task. Actually, we're just taking the task. I'm saying like do your reading for the do your reading section 1. This is a task for the course. You will select if the task is an individual work or a group work, a teamwork, and after that you will select the number of hours that you want, and after that you will just take you can just press slash and then to-do list, and you will put all the things that you need to do. Okay, this is how to fill the task template. And we will select the class. Okay, as you see, I have selected the class, the date, and then you will fill the exam page with all the details of the details of your exam preparation. If you scroll down the page, you will have your class notes, and this is another database that is linked in the same page. After that, we're going on the top of the screen, and we will go on the section classes, and I will show you how to create a class note for each course. Okay, you just go to the section class notes. You can create another page. The page will be a management 2000 note, and then you come back to the management class page, the principal management class page, and then you can just add the class management 2000 to the note management 2000. Okay, that's how you can end both pages, and then you can just you can just fill your note, your page, your notes page with all the information that you are doing in class or online classes, whatever you're doing. Okay, then I suggest that if you want, you can just put like a toggle section, because it will be easier for you after that just review your notes, because the toggle section you can minimize the toggle, of course, and it will be easier for you to read after. Then you have it. You have all the data that you need in your course database. Your page, your principal page, progression, tasks, and everything. Then we will see another part. Now we will see how to study with IA with Notion. Okay, Notion IA is a fantastic tool if you want to do flashcards. For example, I suggest please do your readings, do your exercises, because you're paying for the university maybe or not. If you are going to university or whatever you're doing in your courses, whatever level are you doing, please just do the readings, do the exercise. But now we have IA, you can do flashcards faster, and you will learn faster. Well, now we're going to see how to use Notion IA. Okay, let's go back to the school dashboard. You will press Notion IA on the top left of your Notion app. Then you can just choose whatever PDF of your course that you have and you already read and highlight. Okay, you can just like you can attach the PDF with highlights into the Notion database, and then you can just write simple prompts. Okay, we are just doing simple prompts right here. We are saying to the Notion IA, "Hi IA, can you give me the key points of the PDF?" It's something like that. It needs to be a short sentence, a short statement with an objective. Okay, don't be complicated with prompting, please. Yes, and then you can just you can just send the message with the PDF. And as you can see, Notion IA will give you all the key points, and if you already read the document and you already highlight the document, Notion IA will actually take the key points of your highlights. Okay, and it will be easier for you to remember what is really important. Then if we go back to the dashboard, we'll go to the section classes. Okay, and then I will just show you a simple trick. Okay, just another trick. This is a productivity trick, actually. You can put your courses into do in progress or done status. Okay, if you are doing your session right now, you can just put your course in progress. Okay, as you can see, you don't see anything. Why? Because the filter is not in the right way. Then you can just change the year of your filter as we can see in the screen. And then you should see the course that you are actually doing right now. I suggest you that every year you already put all your program in the database, and at the first step of the year you can just change the year of your program. Okay, and then it will show you all the things that you are doing. Then after that, we are going to the management notes, and we are just copy pasting the Notion IA key points. Okay, and we will do slash, scroll down, and then I will take a toggle because I love toggles. It's short, and then you can just write IA resume. In this case, it's an economic PDF. It's an economics PDF that I had, and you can just name the key points. And why I'm doing that? Because it's not you actually do not take out the key points. Okay, it's the IA that did that, and yes, the IA did it. So you need to actually know that the IA, this is an IA resume. Okay, and that's it. You can just copy paste the key points, and this is like the base of your flashcard. Okay, and this is how you can do a better job in remembering important things. Okay, then you can just press enter, and I will show you another trick with IA from Notion. You can just press space in your keyboard, and you can choose the option flowchart, and then you can just prompt again. We will do a flowchart with this text. You can prompt, please make a flowchart with the last resume, and organize it by key point. Okay, you need to understand that a flowchart needs to have some an X variable and a Y variable. Okay, it's something with in function with something else. Then you can just send a message. Notion AI is actually just thinking how to do it, and then you have it. You have a beautiful flow chart with your basics. Of course, you can improve that with other tools like Miro or with Mermaid, because this is a code from Mermaid that is included with Notion AI, and that's it. You have your study with Notion AI and some productivity tips. Next, we will see how to boost your productivity with Notion. In the template, you have a Pomodoro clock already embedded, and of course, you have two sections in your calendar. Okay, an exam section, it will show you all your exams by deadlines, and you have a homework and revision section, is just your to-do list, your weekly to-do list. Okay, if you scroll on the top, you can actually just press start in your Pomodoro clock, and it will give you a 30 minutes Pomodoro to start your student section. Then after that, we go to the classes section again. I just want to show you another little trick. You have your flashcard in the notes section that we already made, and this section is just aimed in the notes with your course main page. Okay, this is, as you go through the session, it will be easier for you to actually organize your data and all the information. Then after that, if we go to the Management 2000 main page, you will see a table with all the books that you will need, your to-do list that is actually in another section, and then you can see your class notes. Everything is in your main page. You can add data from your main page. You can add data from the dashboard in your calendar too. Then we are looking to how to collaborate with friends. We are in the same spot at the management main page of the notes section, and you can just choose the button share, and you can actually invite people if you are in a team to collaborate with you. You have until 10 members in the free plan of the Notion software. Okay, it's free. 10 members, free. You can just add the email of the person that you want to invite, and then you can choose the access for the person. In the free plan, you don't have a lot of personalization of how people can access your page. If you want to use the plus plan, it will be more personalized. Okay, in this case, you have two options. For the free plan, the person can comment or the person can view. Okay, or you can just give them the full access. They can do whatever they want. They can change the set of the template. They can do whatever they want. Okay, that is on you. You need to decide what type of access do you want to share with them, and that's it. This is a really simple trick that you can use with Notion. Then we already saw the productivity tips, collaboration with teams, and now I will show you how to find the template in the marketplace in your app. Okay, then you can just go to the dashboard in your app. You will press the button templates, and you will mark Titania templates. Okay, I just dropped new templates the last week if you want to see it. I just dropped the three templates the last week, and of course the student dashboard that we that we saw today. And there you have it. This is how to use Notion for students. And of course, you can use these tips to actually add it in your productivity cycle. Okay, please try Notion IA, and of course do your readings, because because IA is a tool. It's not a it's just a tool. Okay, you just need to know how to use it in a smart way. Then that's it. Please don't forget to follow the channel and to subscribe. Please don't forget to follow the channel and to subscribe. Thank you for having me.